Hello everyone, welcome to This Old TJ. Today's video, I'm going to go through what it takes to remove and reinstall the seats on the TJs. These are really simple, just a few tools you need to get the job done. I am using a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench for the front two. Then on the rear, I will use a 1/2 inch socket. The inside corner rear uses a T47. That bolt is special. It's larger. It's a 7/16 20, probably 1.5 inches long bolt. It's also the one that I think was used primarily to anchor the seatbelt in. But just to give you guys a rundown of what it looks like taking these things out, it's pretty straightforward. They can or may be rusted in, as these do actually go through the body. So we'll get a shot here of that. Okay, under the body, looking at the rear outside bolt, you can see how much comes through. There's probably a good 1/8 inch of thread that protrudes through here. This is rusted up severely. You may want to hit it with a lot of PP Blast or some other type of penetrant oil. The front bolt, you'll notice, does not protrude through. It is inside the stamped like channel under the tub. The bolt that is slightly larger, you can see right here, 7/16, and it also has probably about an 1/8 inch of bolt that protrudes, of thread that protrudes through into the elements. So again, if this is like seriously rusted up, you probably want to hit it with some penetrant from the top and the bottom, let it set a while, and see what happens. So we're going to go ahead and pull these out. Mine, as I said in my intro video, this thing is pretty solid frame-wise. There's really no rust in the, the normal spots. You can see the thread for the factory steps, right? Everything's pretty well clean. So I don't think there's going to be a lot of problem on this one, getting these bolts out. So we'll go ahead and pull them now. Alright, so I've got about a 4 inch extension on a 1/2 inch drive, 1/2 inch socket. And this being the one that was exposed more underneath, with the one inner up front being under the tub directly over the transmission and transfer case, and the other one being inside the channel under the tub. Those came out easy. This one's a little stiffer. Not wanting to bang the camera around a bunch here. I think I'm going to switch over to my impact gun just to speed things up. So it came out without much issue with that. Then we'll switch to the Torx bit and hit the inside, which is the larger bolt. This is going to break this one free with the ratchet, but again, being kind of shielded up where it is under the tub. This one is coming out very easy as well, so I don't think it's going to be a huge deal. There it is, one more very clean looking bolt for a Jeep with 100 and almost 30,000 miles on it. So we'll set that to the side. At this point, about all we have left will be undoing the seatbelt, chime, which looks like it is just a press clip, possibly a pull. That's it, and done. So with that, our seat is ready to come out. So I'll see if I can set the camera here, keep from banging it around while I physically pull this thing out of the Jeep. Let's see if there's anything special to this. The only thing special about pulling this out at all was bringing the base, swinging it up first, tipping the back to the inside, lifting. The base clears out very cleanly, no problems. And so now installation will just be reverse. If you enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. There's more to come. Next up, I'll be changing out fouled up seat belts that are on these existing seats. After that's cleared up, I will be installing some riser blocks to bring the seat up probably a couple inches. Try those out and see how we like those. Thanks for watching.